Hey everyone, welcome back to Hello English Podcast. I'm Helen.
And I'm John. Today we're diving into small talk, what it really is, why it matters, and how it quietly helps in daily life.
People think small talk is empty, but it's actually a soft bridge between strangers and real conversation.
Exactly. It's not about deep ideas, it's about connection, a smile and words.
Let's start with a simple picture. You, a new place, new faces. You don't need a perfect speech. You need a gentle opener, like, "Hi, I'm Helen. How's your day going?"
Or, hey, is this seat taken? First time here? How do you know the host? These lines are light, safe, and easy to answer.
Then you explore. Any fun plans this week? What do you usually order here? Are you from around here?
And when it's time to go, exit kindly. Great chatting. I'll let you mingle. Or, I'm gonna grab water. Catch you later?
Small talk saved me on a 2-hour train ride once. We started with coffee beans and ended with podcast recommendations.
It saved me in an elevator with a neighbor. I said, busy week or calm week? He smiled and said, busy, but coffee helps. We've been chatty ever since.
The magic is tiny. An opener, a follow-up, a friendly exit.
And for learners, it's daily practice without pressure. You don't need fancy grammar, you need friendly rhythm.
My funniest fail? First month in a co-working. I tried to bond with the designer and said, "So, do you like fonts?"
I would have answered, depends on Helvetica.
He stared, I panicked, and said, "I mean, letters?" We both laughed and talked about book covers for 20 minutes. Lesson: even a weird opener can work if you're kind.
My turn. At a tech meetup, I asked, so, how's the cloud? He said, cloudy. We laughed, ice broken, and ended up discussing remote teams and travel.
Humor helps, and awkward is okay. Small talk isn't an exam, it's a hello.
Let's give a quick tool belt. Good openers. Hi, I'm blank. How do you know the host? Nice jacket. Where'd you get it? Is this your first time here? How's your day going so far?
Neutral topics that always work: weather, weekend, coffee, lunch spots, travel, hobbies, events. Any weekend plans? Tried the coffee here? Any trips coming up?
Follow-ups keep it flowing. Oh, nice. Tell me more. How did you get into that? What do you like most about it?
Active listening reactions. No way. Really? That's cool. Makes sense. Fair enough. Exactly.
Soft opinions. I'm not sure, but I think, from my experience, it kind of depends.
Smooth switches. By the way, changing gears for a sec. Random question.
And exits that feel good. It was great chatting. I'll let you mingle. I should head out. Nice meeting you. Can I add you on Instagram or LinkedIn?
Here's a tiny anatomy of a strong opener. Simple, specific, kind. "Hi, I'm John. I love your tote. Is it from the museum shop?"
Compliment plus detail plus question. Perfect. If you're shy, use comment question. This cafe is cozy. Do you come here often?
Or weather plus choice. "Wild rain today. Are you more team winter or team summer?"
Short, friendly, answerable. That's the aim. Awkward moments happen. I once asked, how was your weekend? And he said, it's Wednesday. I replied, I plan ahead.
Rescue phrases help. I phrased that badly. I meant, "How is your week going?" Brain lag, long day. Let me try again.
People forgive honest, light self-correction. It shows calm confidence.
Another classic, forgetting names. Try, "I'm so sorry. Remind me of your name."
Or reintroduce yourself. I'm John, by the way. They'll usually share theirs. Keep the tone gentle. We all forget. Safe topics with ready lines. It feels like spring already. Any go-to lunch spots near here? What kind of projects are you on lately? Are you from around here or just visiting? What brought you to this talk?
Adds short reactions so it's not an interview. Nice. That sounds relaxing. I've heard good things. Lucky you. I wish I could do that more.
Then grow the topic step by step. How often do you go? What got you into it? What's the best part?
How small talk helped me? I chatted in a museum line about a poster. 10 minutes later, I was invited to a free lecture. That lecture led to a freelance project.
I complimented a stranger's camera strap. Turned out he was a local photographer. 2 months later, we co-hosted a photo walk.
Each started with a tiny comment.
Small talk matters not for now, but for what comes next.
When the vibe is right, shift from surface to story. That reminds me of, I had a similar experience when, curious, what got you into that?
Keep stories short, beginning to one detail to light punchline. I tried surfing last year, first wave, instant wipeout, but the instructor cheered like I'd won gold.
Stories make you memorable and give the other person a way to share theirs too.
Boundaries matter. Avoid heavy topics. Money, politics, religion, health scares, unless they bring it up and you're both comfortable.
If you stepped on a landmine, exit kindly. I didn't mean to get heavy. Sorry about that. Or let's keep it light. Or pivot. Tell me your go-to comfort food instead.
Humor works too. I just failed Small Talk 101.
Let's craft a few ready-made templates you can actually copy in daily life. At a meetup, hi, I'm blank. What brought you here? Any speakers you're excited about? I'm grabbing coffee. Want one?
At work with a new colleague. How's your first week going? What's the best lunch around here? If you ever need anything, I'm just down the hall.
At a café. That pastry looks amazing. What is it? Do you know if they do decaf? Is the Wi-Fi decent?
With neighbors. Hi, I'm John. I'm in 4B. If you ever need a package picked up, happy to help. Is there a good grocery store nearby?
On travel days. Long layover? Any tips for this airport? Is this the line for flight 302?
Quick practice. Repeat after us later. Hi, I'm blank. How's your day going? Is it your first time here? Nice. Tell me more. How did you get into that? By the way, do you live nearby? I'm going to grab water. Catch you later? It was great chatting. Have a good one. Let's stay in touch.
These lines are small, but they train rhythm, confidence, and listening. Use just one today and you'll feel the difference.
And celebrate tiny wins. Coffee counts.
Want some embarrassing moments so you feel brave? I once asked a very pregnant woman, "When's the big day?" She said, "I'm not pregnant."
Oh, no.
I apologized. "I'm so sorry. I misspoke. That dress is gorgeous." She laughed. I learned.
My turn. I greeted good morning at 9 p.m. I added jet lag brain. He said, same. We bonded over bad time math.
Recovery phrases. Sorry, wrong word. Let me try again. Ignore me, long day. I meant to say.
Honesty plus kindness builds trust.
Ending well matters. Great chatting. I'll let you mingle. I need to head out. Nice meeting you. Can I add you on Instagram or LinkedIn?
If you promise to follow up, do it. Sending that link now. Coffee next week? Here's the photo we talked about.
Small talk helps your English because it lowers fear. After 5 friendly hellos, your brain relaxes.
And over time, your vocabulary grows where it matters. Everyday life, real situations, real people.
Gentle summary. Small talk isn't small. It opens soft doors to real connection. Keep a few go-to lines ready. React kindly and end well.
Be curious, not perfect. Be friendly, not fancy.
One tiny conversation a day. That's the practice.
If this episode helped, share it with a friend who feels shy about speaking.
And if you enjoyed it, give us a like. It really supports the show. Please subscribe for more cozy, real-life English.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time. And if we bump into each other in a cafe, I'll go first. How's your day going?
Perfect opener, always.